Well, I can already tell that this room is going to get a lot of use. The focal point is this fireplace that was installed just a few days before the drywall went in place. And what Norman chose was a nice ventless model. You know, in a spacious room like this, especially one that opens up into another area of the house, this is a great source of supplemental heat. Now, one of the biggest advantages, though, of a ventless is the fact that it's going to save Norman the cost of having a chimney and flue installed. And believe me, that can be a substantial amount of money. Now, of course, with anything that has advantages, you typically will have some disadvantages. No fire is truly ventless. If it were, it'd put itself out. The oxygen that this needs for combustion is going to be drawn in from the room, and it will vent into the room. This has raised a few concerns about carbon monoxide buildup and oxygen depletion. In fact, there are some states like California and Massachusetts that won't even let you put in a ventless fireplace. One other slight disadvantage, using a ventless means that there's going to be more humidity in a room. So if you've got a smaller room that's a little bit enclosed, this is probably not your best option. But before you make any decisions, here's your free, friendly fireplace advice for the week. First of all, find out what your building codes are when it pertains to a fireplace. Then carefully weigh the pros and the cons to decide which type of fireplace is best for your needs. And then, ventless or otherwise, install a carbon monoxide detector in the same room.